morning, this is Jimmy. I'm about to start on one of my all-time favorites. I do a lot of rust repair, and if you're looking for the old stuff, sometimes you got to get some old-time rust repair going on it. This is a 1970 Monte Carlo. Pretty solid car. We just got some of the typical things that go on with them. There, people say, well, there's none of those left to build. Well, they're out there. That was a long time ago, and we're looking at damage on some of them. The rust around the trunk. All right, that's a little better. Like I say, we're dealing with a 1970 Monte Carlo. Not many of them left. Definitely, if there is and they haven't been built, they got some work to do on them. What we're doing right now is we're going to rebuild this edge all the way around the trunk. One thing I'm doing is documenting it so we'll know when I get through what we're looking at. It needs to have all that in it, that little crease in it. That's that reverse flange I've been talking about. Gonna make that all new, and I just wanted to document the beginning of this so you'll see what's going on and why we're doing what we're doing. So we're right in the middle of it. Thanks for watching. Check out the videos of the tools that I made to do this job. Like and subscribe.